How to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome Mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add the option of pop-ups in your Google Chrome very easily using your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, of course, launch your Chrome application onto your device. After launching it, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to turn on the pop-up as you wish, you may just tap on the three dot at the top right, and after that just go to settings and then scroll down until you see site settings. Just tap on site settings. After that, scroll down until you see pop-up and redirects. Just tap on pop-ups and redirects. After you see it, you can see it is blocked right now. I just want you to enable this option, and just like that, the pop-ups will reappear onto your Chrome of your phone. So therefore, by these methods, you can allow pop-ups on Google Chrome on your mobile. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.